When it comes to hiking, having the right pair of boots can make or break your adventure. Whether you're trekking through rugged mountains, navigating muddy trails, or exploring serene woodland paths, a reliable pair of hiking boots provides the support, comfort, and durability needed to conquer any terrain. In 2025, advancements in outdoor gear have brought forth innovative hiking boots that combine cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly materials, and stylish designs. From waterproof membranes to lightweight yet sturdy soles, the newest boots on the market cater to every type of hiker. To help you find the perfect fit, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best hiking boots of 2025. HOKA Anacapa 2 Mid GTX. The HOKA Anacapa 2 Mid GTX hiking boots are a notable choice for hikers seeking a blend of comfort, support, and durability. Renowned for their plush midsoles, HOKA delivers exceptional cushioning in the Anacapa 2, making long treks more comfortable by absorbing impacts effectively. The boots feature a Gore-Tex waterproof breathable membrane, ensuring feet remain dry in wet conditions. The 4-inch flood height, combined with a 2-inch sole, allows hikers to navigate through puddles and shallow streams confidently. Traction is enhanced by the Vibram Mega Grip rubber outsole, providing reliable grip on various terrains, from smooth slabs to loose trails. The multi-directional lugs offer stability, making the Anacapa 2 suitable for diverse hiking environments. Weighing approximately 2.3 pounds per pair, these boots are relatively lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended hikes. The use of waterproof nubuck leather in the upper contributes to durability, withstanding rugged terrains and offering longevity. However, the Anacapa 2's design may not provide the same level of ankle support as traditional over-the-ankle boots, which could be a consideration for those carrying heavier loads or traversing technical trails. Additionally, the positioning of the lacing hooks can make achieving a secure fit challenging, potentially affecting overall comfort. In summary, the HOKA Anacapa 2 Mid GTX hiking boots offer a comfortable and durable option for hikers prioritizing cushioning and waterproofing. While they excel in comfort and traction, potential buyers should consider their specific support needs and the boot's lacing system when evaluating this model. Merrell Moab Speed 2 Mid Gore-Tex. The Merrell Moab Speed 2 Mid Gore-Tex hiking boots are designed to offer hikers a lightweight and comfortable experience on moderate terrains. Weighing approximately 400 grams per boot, they facilitate swift and agile movements, making them suitable for day hikes and less demanding trails. The boots feature a synthetic upper paired with a Gore-Tex waterproof membrane, ensuring feet remain dry in wet conditions. The inclusion of a padded ankle collar and a bellows tongue enhances comfort and prevents debris ingress. Underfoot, the Moab Speed 2 Mid GTX utilizes Merrell's Float Pro foam midsole, providing a balance between cushioning and durability. The Vibram TC5 Plus outsole, equipped with 4mm lugs, delivers reliable traction across various surfaces, contributing to stability during hikes. While the boots excel in comfort and are well suited for on-path hill walks and rural tracks, they may not offer the necessary support and durability for more rugged off-trail adventures. The synthetic upper, though lightweight, is susceptible to abrasion, and the lack of extensive reinforcing around the toe and sides could impact longevity in harsh conditions. In summary, the Merrell Moab Speed 2 Mid Gore-Tex hiking boots are a commendable choice for hikers prioritizing lightweight comfort and waterproofing on moderate terrains. However, for more demanding hikes requiring robust support and enhanced durability, alternative options may be more appropriate. Targhee IV. The Targhee IV mid-waterproof hiking boots are a reliable choice for hikers seeking comfort, durability, and weather resistance. Designed with Keen Fusion technology, these boots feature a glue-free, fused construction that prevents delamination, ensuring longevity even under rigorous use. Comfort is a standout feature, with a spacious toe box and soft leather uppers that accommodate various foot shapes. The cushioned ankle cuffs and flexible midsoles contribute to a supportive fit, making them suitable for day hikes and lighter backpacking trips. Equipped with a keen, rugged outsole, the Targhee IV provides solid traction across diverse terrains, enhancing stability on trails. The waterproof membrane effectively keeps feet dry in wet conditions, making these boots versatile for 3-season hiking. However, some users have reported that the boots may feel less breathable in hotter weather, potentially leading to discomfort during extended use in warm conditions. Additionally, while the cushioning is adequate for most terrains, it might be insufficient on hard-packed surfaces for hikers prone to foot or ankle pain. In summary, the Targhee IV mid-waterproof hiking boots offer a comfortable and durable option for hikers prioritizing weather resistance and traction. Their innovative construction and supportive design make them a solid choice for various hiking adventures. though considerations should be made for breathability in warmer climates. LOWA Renegade Evo GTX Mid. The LOWA Renegade Evo GTX Mid hiking boots are a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and performance, building upon the legacy of the renowned Renegade GTX series. Designed for versatility, these boots cater to both casual hikers and those embarking on extended alpine treks. Right out of the box, the Renegade Evo GTX offers a comfortable fit, though a brief break-in period is beneficial for optimal comfort on longer hikes. The lacing system is designed to accommodate various foot shapes, ensuring a secure and personalized fit. These boots provide robust support, making them suitable for carrying heavy backpacks over diverse terrains. The mid-cut design offers ample ankle support, reducing the risk of injuries on uneven trails. Equipped with a Vibram Evo sole, the Renegade Evo GTX ensures reliable grip on both wet and dry surfaces, enhancing stability during hikes. The nubuck leather upper not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to the boot's durability, capable of withstanding abrasions over time. The Gore-Tex lining provides effective waterproofing, keeping feet dry in wet conditions. However, as with many leather boots, breathability may be limited in warmer climates, potentially leading to warmer feet during summer hikes. While not the lightest option available, the Renegade Evo GTX strikes a balance between weight and durability, offering a sturdy build without feeling cumbersome. This makes them suitable for both short-day hikes and extended backpacking trips. The LOWA Renegade Evo GTX mid-hiking boots are a dependable choice for hikers seeking a blend of comfort, support, and durability. Their versatile design makes them well suited for various hiking adventures, from casual outings to more demanding alpine excursions. Salomon X Ultra Alpine Mid Gore-Tex. The Salomon X Ultra Alpine Mid Gore-Tex hiking boots are engineered for hikers seeking a blend of agility, precision, and comfort across diverse terrains. A standout feature is the edging chassis technology, which provides torsional stiffness for enhanced precision and confidence while maintaining a fluid stride for a nimble feel throughout the day. In terms of design, the X Ultra Alpine Mid Gore-Tex is both grippy and precise when the terrain demands it, yet agile and comfortable to accommodate a natural stride. This balance makes the boot suitable for various hiking scenarios, from technical trails to more relaxed walks. The boots are equipped with a Gore-Tex membrane, ensuring waterproof protection while allowing breathability to keep feet dry and comfortable in varying weather conditions. The ContoGrip outsole delivers reliable traction on both wet and dry surfaces, enhancing stability and confidence on the trail. However, some users have noted potential durability issues, particularly concerning the longevity of the upper material under heavy use. Additionally, the fit may not be the most precise for all foot shapes, suggesting that trying the boots on before purchase is advisable to ensure optimal comfort.